Hi there! Today I'm going to see if I can fix my Addams Family pinball machine. There's a light that stays on and I would like to repair it without destroying everything, so... well, let's see what happens. Yeah, so I had this Addams Family hanging around for a few years in the house. It has a number of problems. The worst part perhaps is the playfield is worn down. Second, the flippers are a bit too weak, but that's easier to fix. And third, a few of the lamps aren't doing what they're supposed to be doing. On the top of the back box there's this plastic cloud that's supposed to be flashing like lightning when you enter multi-ball mode, and the lights are just staying on all the time. So well, yeah, I think I'm going to try to tackle that today, and well, maybe I'll move on to the other problems some other day. So first I need to get on the computer and look at some manuals. Right, so first I'm going to look at some documentation here. Let's see. I need to download a manual, and I know they have one right here. So let's see. Yep, Operator's Handbook. Might need that one. And Operations Manual. I might need that one too, so let's get that one too. Okay. So the first thing I want to check out is where are the lamp connected to which transistor, because I'm thinking that it might be the transistor that's broken since the lights are on all the time. It's I think it might be those flasher bulbs, 906s. They're not meant to be on all the time, and if they're on all the time they will generate too much heat and destroy plastics and stuff like that. So they're not plugged in the system right now, but now I just want to see if it is flashers and which transistor they're using and where they are connected. So I'm guessing it's a solenoid table, and these are the coils and magnets, and here we have flashers, and we yeah, back box, the cloud, and also the power actually, which is interesting because that one also keeps lighting up when you turn on the machine. So I have not a bulb in that socket either. So, and it says here it's flashers, and I have connections which pins it's connected to on the circuit board, and the driver transistor Q30, and it says it's a 906 light bulb. So I want to remember these things like the Q30 transistor and where it's connected. So for now I'm going to take a look at the machine and try to figure out if indeed it is the transistor that's broken. There's a way you can do that, maybe, without having to replace it right away. So let's get over to the machine.
Showtime! Feel the power.
Alright, this is a $10 multimeter. It's from a hardware store, but think we can use it for this. Just checking the resistance between ground and right here on the resistor, and looks so far. Oh yeah, Q30. Nice. So that one was different from the others, and I think it's the same transistor all the way down here. So yeah, Q30. What I need to do now is get back to the computer and look at the part number for Q30, and then I'm going to have to figure out where I can find that on the internet. So let's head back to the computer.
Dirty pool, old man. I like it.
All right. Yeah. So let's see if we can find something about Q30. Might have to look at the other manual. Yeah. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, same table here. This is long. Start from a button. Okay, the wiring table. Yeah. We already knew that, so we need to find the circuit board somewhere. And you can see they have everything here. Every nut and bolt has their own part number. Circuit board, where are you? Circuit board's coming up. Not that one. Dot matrix controller assembly. Here we go. Power driver assembly. So Q30. I can't read that. Never mind. Oh, yeah. Here we got it. Q. Yeah. So we have the part number here, and all the ones I tested are the same type. It's not a guaranteed way, the way I tested it, to find a faulty transistor. But if it works, hey, we are lucky. And since all of them are the same, they should behave the same. So I have the part number here, and now I just need to see if Google will help me. I'm fairly sure we can get this somewhere. So 516 is a 6, yeah, 6212. I think I got 63500, and I can't copy it because it's a scanned version, not a text version of this document. So okay, yes, pin bits, Marco specialties, yeah. Pinball wizard. I'll see if I can use my usual resource for these things. Pinball center. Yeah. English bitte. No? Let's try tip 102. Yeah. So that's like, I guess it would be almost what about a dollar or something, in American dollar. So this is it, and they have it in stock, so I can just order it, and let's get 4 of those. Cool. Now I've been thinking about doing something else with the topper, the flasher, the cloud, if I get it to work. I'm thinking that it's supposed to emulate lightning, and old school incandescent bulbs are a bit slow to light up and and cool down again. So, and a lightning is so much more instant than a flash. So I'm thinking I could try to replace it with LEDs instead. So yeah, which base? Okay, show me everything, please. Yeah, so I'm thinking perhaps a flasher in cold white. I'm usually not big on cold white color for a pinball, but in this specific case, perhaps it would be a good type of light to emulate lightning. So I think I'm going to buy 3 of these and test it out and see how it works. So I'm probably going to order 3 of these too. Yeah. So I'm not getting any further with this today. I'm going to have to wait until it arrives. So they say 1 to 3 work days, but that's in Germany though. So I'm guessing 10 work days before I get it. So I'll make an update and I'll record myself destroying the machine while I insert the new the new transistor. Hopefully not destroy it, but we'll see. So yeah, I think I'll just stop right here, and I'll get back to you when I get the parts, and let's see if we can get it up and running. So until then, have fun on the interwebs.